The project required a high-quality 4K resolution that we are used to seeing from cinema cameras, but the shooting conditions demanded the ruggedness and versatility of a documentary camera. And that's exactly what the FS7 does, marrying ergonomics with picture quality. You have a tried and tested camera body that's ready to go in no time, all the buttons you need to operate on the fly, lightweight batteries that last for hours, and a versatile mount that can take any lens if you have the right adapter. And on the other hand, you have pristine 4K resolution, flawless 60p slow motion, and a very powerful log image. Whenever I wanted to isolate and detail of an artisan's work, I would often use a fast, long or macro lens and shoot with the iris wide open. Combining this style of shooting with the cinematic capabilities of the FS7, you get as a result an almost ethereal aesthetic. The idea in terms of look was to capture natural or let's say neutral looking images and pass the creative control down to the post-process. We shot in S-Gamma3.Cine S-Log3, which allowed us to do that and also gave us the opportunity to take advantage of the sensor's 14 stops of dynamic range, plus Sony's improved color reproduction. The FS7 ticked every box in terms of efficiency, practicality, and most importantly in terms of quality. It proved itself every single time without fail.